Hey, what's up? We have tested many dashcams on our channel Tech Brothers. In 2022, you can choose a dashcam with single, dual, and even triple cameras, 1080p, 2K or 4K resolution, GPS, up control, and many other useful features. However, there is also a dashcam, which is attached to the mirror in the car cabin. It is called a mirror dashcam. I have two new models of these dashcams from EUKI company. One of them has 10-inch display, while another one has 11-inch screen. So the first dashcam is called M10, while the second one is M11. They have about the same features, such as GPS, G-sensor, parking monitor, dual camera, etc. However, they have different camera sensors, so the video quality should be different. Okay, let's do unboxing and full review of EUKI M10 mirror dashcam in this video, and the next week we will post video about EUKI M11. If you don't want to miss the second video, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. On the box we can see a mirror dashcam in the full size. The main features are on the side faces, such as reversing assistant, loop recording, HDR, waterproof, 4K resolution, microSD, IPS touchscreen, Sony sensor, and others. Inside the box there is a mirror dashcam, straps, GPS module, car charger adapter, RYYZN camera, and extension cable for it, the 2 screws, adhesive type, and user manual. So there is everything to install the dashcam and the RYYZN camera. EUKI M10 is much bigger than the other dashcams because it has 10-inch touch display. For comparison, I have a dashcam with 3-inch screen, and it looks very tiny next to the mirror dashcam. I didn't find information about screen resolution, but it looks very clear. It is also very responsive. The camera lens is located on the back of the dashcam. By the way, it can be rotated up and down, left and right. There are also 2 strap mounts to install the dashcam to the rear view mirror. It looks like this in my car. And then we can see a speaker grills and reset hole on the back of the dashcam. At the top there is a GPS slot, TF card slot, RYYZN camera slot, and USB power input. At the bottom we have a power button and microphone hole. By the way, I didn't notice right away that the dashcam comes with microSD memory card. But that's very good. Talking about RYYZN camera, it doesn't have any connectors or buttons. You just need to install it to the rear windshield or license plate and then connect to the dashcam. In the user manual we can read how to properly install the RYYZN camera. As I already said, you can install it to the rear windshield or nearby to the license plate. The first method is easier, but the second one is recommended. You can also connect a RYYZN camera to the reversing lamp of your car. That way, when you put in the reverse gear, the RYYZN camera on the dashcam will automatically turn on. By the way, the RYYZN camera is waterproof, so you don't have to worry about when it rains or even snows. Now let's take a look at the functions of the dashcam. First, you should know that the camera starts recording immediately after powering on. The icon in the left top corner reports about record. Then we can see a display recording time, date, parking mode, G-sensor, and battery. The slider on the right side allows you to change the screen brightness. At the bottom of the screen, we can turn the microphone on and off, take a snapshot, start video recording, go to the settings menu and gallery, log the current video. In the settings menu we can change the video resolution. As you can see, the front camera resolution is 4K, while the rear camera resolution is 1080p. We can also choose the video segment from 1 minute to 5 minutes. The G-sensor settings are low, medium and high. For the parking guard, we need to use a hardwire kit. Unfortunately, it doesn't come in the package. The other settings are screensaver time, frequency, speaker, boot sound, RYYZN screen flip, language, date and time, format memory card. Return to the default settings, WDR and version. EUKI M10 mirror dashcam doesn't have Wi-Fi support and app control. However, I don't think that you really need it, because there's a big 10-inch touchscreen. As I said before, the video recording on the front and rear cameras starts immediately after powering on. Let's talk more about camera and video quality. The front camera has a Sony IMX335 STARVIS sensor. Its maximum video resolution is 4K, while the rear camera is 1080p. In addition, the front camera is 170 degrees wide angle, while the rear camera is 140 degrees wide angle. By the way, I noticed that the mirror dashcam is installed farther from the windshield than the other dashcams, so it has even wider viewing angle. Overall, the video quality is very good. The image is clear, and I like that the camera records at 30 fps. Thanks to this, the video is very smooth. So, for the price of $99, EUKI M10 is a very good dashcam. You know, the mirror dashcam has some advantages over the other dashcams, for example, a big 10-inch touchscreen and a wide viewing angle. Also, EUKI M10 has a rear camera, GPS tracking, G-sensor, loop recording, parking mode, and other useful functions. The video quality of the front and rear cameras are very good. I am very surprised by this mirror dashcam, especially for this price. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!